We are proud to present 507 Turtle Cove, a stunning and newly constructed residence located in close proximity to the beach. This beautifully decorated home offers a spacious and well-appointed interior, perfect for entertaining multiple families. As soon as you step inside, you will be greeted by the home's private elevator, providing convenient access to every level. The kitchen and great room are combined in an open plan designed with a wall of sliding doors that open out to a screened porch and dining area. The spacious bedrooms offer king beds, with 2 of them featuring ensuite bathrooms and 1 with a triple bunk, ideal for kids to have their own space. The outdoor amenities are equally impressive, with a private heated pool, a screened porch, and a rooftop crow's nest offering stunning 360-degree views of the ocean. The sunset view from these locations is simply breathtaking. The rental rate includes 1 brand new golf cart with an additional cart available for a small fee. All the essentials for a day at the beach, such as beach chairs, umbrellas, and sand toys, are provided on site for your convenience. Get ready to experience the natural beauty of North Captiva Island with your family and make memories to last a lifetime at Turtle Cove. Now enjoy the rest of your walkthrough tour.